What you saw was just a fraction of what actually happened here. Look where we are today.
We're here at the Melbourne Motor Show this weekend. It has been crazy. Lots of crowds, lots of things happening. We're right across from BYD. There's Denza here, there's GWM, there's Honda. We have the Fast and Furious stand over there, so check out some of those cars. Lots of different bike Zeekas here as well. A lot of hot rods, muscle cars. So it's very exciting. The crowds are happy and they're seeing all these different vehicles.
When we actually got here, we didn't think that we'll get that much attention because of all the exotic cars all over the place. But things actually turned around. We had so much attention, people actually seeking us out. We're very happy for what we've achieved as a brand and how much we've grown and what we can actually offer our community. Every brand starts from somewhere where you want to make a mark, and that's exactly what BYD did.
Since we're right across from BYD, started off in 1994 with the renewable batteries, and it wasn't until 2005 when they actually launched the F3 vehicle. So that's the first vehicle they actually had. And then they started getting to the railway as well. So it's just that whole progress of what they've done beforehand and actually where they actually are at the moment with their vehicles. So this show's gone actually crazy, crazy. A lot of people interested in the Sharks and all these other sort of vehicles. So it is just this exciting era of battery-powered cars.
It is an exciting era after all, but it is more exciting about what kind of beasts we can build out of these cars.
A lot of people around walking around it. We have got a lot of people from BYD come over, look at our Shark. It's been very popular this weekend. We have the Hammer King Series bull bar, roof rack, everything's on here. Also, it's good to see the difference on how beefy this car is after, with the wheels and tires and that actual lift kit as well. So we do have the H4X lift kit available for this car. And it just changed the whole overall stance.
If you want to see our Shark 6 full build, check out the link on top.
Let's head into the Fast and Furious saga, which is over there, so we have to go through all this crowd. So that bad boy is what I want, but this bad boy is over here is probably what I can afford. All right, so Denza's here. They have been very popular. A lot of people around the cars. Let's come and have a look and see how it is. There's just crowds galore.
Denza is actually stepping up and making some big waves in Australia. The interior feels somewhat like a BYD, but then again, it feels very, very premium.
Trying to be the competitor to the Prado 250, so it is going to be popular on that end. But they also have the B5 over here. And I think the B5 is probably going to be a better seller for the price point and also what it offers as well. On the other end over here, which everyone's at, this is their new sports car, the D9.
Electric cars have really stepped it up, and Denza has stated that this car can get 500 Ks in just 5 minutes of charge. And the interior has this extreme luxury feel, and I love that massive infotainment system.
And then you can close it by pressing it. Check out the interior.
We have done so many Tank 300s and they're very popular because of their classic looks. If you haven't seen any of these builds, check out our shorts.
Now over here we have our new N90 Hilux, which has a King Series bull bar. We've done the H4X 2-inch lift kit as well on this car. We've got the shadow side steps, auto roll at the back, and we do have our 9 Fury sports bar. But we do also have on here as well is our new H-Mat. So that's going to be available soon. It's just an extra storage, easy to actually store and actually pull in and out. If you're not using it, you can remove it and store other like motorcycles or something else in your rear as well. So that's really good. Let's go and actually look at other cars we have.
Don't worry, we'll show you this full N90 Hilux build properly at the end of this video. Until then, let's look at some supercars.
Baby, what is next? Rolling on me, feel it protect, screaming we the best. I got though, give me respect. Baby, what is next? Tell me what is next. I got EBS on my wrist, on my neck. Baby, what is next? Rolling on me, feel it protect, screaming we the best. I got though, give me respect. Baby, what is next? Tell me what is next. I got.
Look at how much hype BYD and Denza's getting. It's crazy, crazy. Just look at them. Look at them. So this is a D-Max blade. It does have a bar on here already. I don't know how I feel with it because it actually is very low. So I don't know why you do this to have less of a clearance, I guess. We do have a vehicle and another video we have done on the D-Max blade. Check that out. Very interesting. We've done a lot of mods on that one as well, and it does look good. There's a lot that's been happening at this show. We've been all around. We've seen the supercars. We've seen the Fast and Furious cars. We've seen all the old school muscle cars as well. It has been a great show. Stay tuned. We are going to go and do another video because we are going to Perth. We are going to go off-roading. We're going to show you more content like that. And let's, at the moment, show you some more N90.